Installation and use video of high-speed automatic edge banding machine. First, after receiving the machine, open the guard plate behind the machine. Take the trailer tray and control box on the guard out of it. There are 4 holes in this position of the control box. Align it and lock it tightly. Fix the control box first. And then, find our vacuum bag and fix it to the vacuum tube and fix the vacuum tube on the motor. On the motor, there is a metal mushroom on the motor. Be sure to lock it tightly. And then, assemble the trailer bracket. Fix our bearing rods to the hexagonal lock. All 3 must be fixed. Then find our fixing screw and connecting square tube and fix it in this hole on the machine foot. Tighten the screw from below. And then, find the shaft in the center of our tray and put it through this hole. Secure the nut from below. After fixing it, then put our bearing bracket away and then put the drag tape together. The height of the tray is level with the machine countertop, and its height is adjusted by the position of the 2 nuts in this 2 acres. Then find our extended version. Place the wide side at the entrance of the machine. There are 2 holes on the countertop which are aligned with screws and fixed with nuts. The height of the extended version is roughly the same as the countertop, and then the position of the auxiliary bearing is in a straight line with the front support. After adjusting it, it can be fixed. The narrow one is an extended version at the exit, and its height is the same as the import, and then high and low level adjustment. It's leveled with a top wire on the side. And then let's flush the hole corresponding to the widening bracket according to our widening bracket. Don't remove the nut inside after flushing. And then just lock the nuts inside the outer tool bag directly. After the brackets on both sides are installed, then thread our support square tubes from front to back, then loosen the front screw. And then find our 7-character bracket. Fix the screws. Please don't lock this lock screw, and then leave a gap for the nut above to fix the glazed strip. Easy to install glazed strips. And then find our glazed strip. Align the nut with the card slot under this glazed strip. Just put it in. The height of the glazed strip is equal to the chain block of the conveyor belt. Its height is adjusted through the long hole of this screw. After adjustment, the screws should be locked. And then connect the power cord of our side unicorn motor and the power cord of the control box to the power strip. Connect the trachea to the 8mm trachea and insert it directly into this connector. And then put our door sealing tape on the trailer tray. The glued side of the door sealing belt faces the inside of the machine. Go through this imported wire paste to the sealing tape. Don't worry about the position of the cutting edge. The knife edge is closed when he is not working. And then the imported wire paste and the exported wire paste are both 0.5mm higher than the door sealing belt. And then the adjustment of the height of our pressing beam. Loosen the nut and side screws. The scale of the pressing beam is 2mm lower than that of the plate. Lock the screws and nuts after adjustment. Rotate the machine stop switch that controls upward to the right to power on. After power on, control 2 governors up. Edge banding governor controls the speed of the sealing belt. Feed governor controls the speed of the plate. There are 2 separate switches on the governor. Open when you press one down. After receiving the machine, the speed of the 2 governors should be adjusted to 50 first. Put a plate and see if you can cover the front of the cover tape. If it can't be covered, adjust the speed of the edge banding governor a little faster separately. If the front flow is too long, slow it down a bit. The front of one side of the plate is about -1 centimeter. The dice chicken switch is on. Remember to burn the pan before opening. Top up. About 4-5. The amount of glue shaft glue is adjusted. There is a top wire on the side of the glue pot. Only this top silk glue amount becomes smaller. The amount of loose glue increases. When our actual temperature reaches our set temperature, then start the edge banding and trimming polishing. Switches for feeding and side suction electrics. Then seal the plate